Ooh, and I'm back. Literally 10 seconds after ending the last episode, because I'm feeling RWBY right now. You know, my day went well. I'm just trying to sit, relax before I got more stuff to do. I want to watch a little bit more RWBY, and today we got episode 3 of volume 2. And man, I don't even want to talk too much, but I'm not trying to sit here and watch the episode. I gotta talk a little bit. So last episode, the big thing was that we had Team RWBY kind of getting ready to devise a plan. I'm not too sure where this plan is going, but hopefully we get to see this episode. Hopefully they don't be like, all right, we got a plan, and then they wait a little bit to, actually hatch it. I hope we kind of just dive right into it. Because I don't know, I'm just really eager to see, like, where is this story going? We got the whole thing with the White Fang. I just want to see it actually pushed more to the forefront. I'm being really impatient right now. But, like, after the first season, I'm just like, okay, I like these characters. I'm liking this world. The power system seems pretty cool. But where is this plot going? And we got something pretty interesting with Blake and her past with the White Fang. And then we got Turtwig, Cinder, and her crew devising something. Like, what are they doing, bro? I need answers. Like, they're infiltrating the school. What's going on? So without further ado, I'm not even gonna waste any more time because I'm eager. And I'm sorry for that, but I just want to get in, bro. So goofy headset engaged. Let's just start episode 3. Episode 3. Let's get right into it. 3:59.
So Weiss, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat.
Wait, so my man Jaune is still trying to mac on Weiss? Like,
Bruce Willis movie, if you want to make the trip to Vale, I hear it's awesome.
did we just say Bruce Willis? It's Bruce Willis?
Maybe after that we could study together. I mean, you're smarter than
I don't know. You're laying on kind of thick there, Jaune. And she ain't say a word. But all I'm saying, man, is you got Para on the team, and she's the best girl in the show right now. Objectively, this is a fact. Dang.
One day.
New drip? Okay. Investigation.
So seriously. Hey, we've got a plan. Moderately.
Yang got the best fit.
Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for.
That's kind of drippy too. Hold up, the whole crew kind of fly right now.
I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Yang.
We'll meet up tonight and go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
That's not a good look, bro. You can't just be doing that to females' rooms.
Are we finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
Fair.
It's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I
Also
brought them.
fair.
Sup?
What are they standing on?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
All right. I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake.
Okay.
You can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good? Actually,
No, I don't trust him with Yang. I'm like a defensive father.
I say we'd go with you then. Well, I guess Neptune could come with me. Nah.
What was that laugh? The plot thickens. Jaune trying to get Weiss. She kind of feeling Neptune right now. Hold up now. Wait, his name's Neptune.
Cross-continental transmit system to allow the four kingdoms
This man just based off of like King Neptune, I
It was
guess.
their gift to the world after the Great War. Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich. Don't be a pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library. I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Hello? Fumbling.
Oh,
Penny?
you dropped this.
Let's go. We got more Penny.
Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry.
Oh, how much time has
I
passed?
think you're confused.
She lost her memory?
I've got to go. What was that
The
about?
hell was that?
I don't know. But I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later. Wait!
Dang, I wonder how much time passed.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny, is everything okay? Penny, please stop.
Did she get like reprogrammed? Because she's definitely a
I don't
robot.
know what's wrong.
We haven't got confirmation of the show, but bro, her back
Those guys we
opened
fought
up.
at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad. I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Oh yeah, she got picked up in that strange car. It's all coming back to me.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Are there people watching? Like some Secret Service type shit? What's going on, man? That's a library, bro? I wish. Back in my day when I had to go to a library, it looked a fraction like that.
How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely.
Okay, maybe it's not a
Check your
library.
scroll on the terminal to verify your identity.
Scroll? I thought they were just cell phones.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
You good, Weiss? Ooh.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you. Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for
She
calling.
seems to be like stressing over like calling her family.
Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Sister
Oh,
named
actually,
Winter.
if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
Wait, so she wasn't about to like call her family? I thought she was going there because she had like connections in the Schnee family or whatever. So I thought she was gonna call, you know, home.
The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
I guess she could just get the data.
See y'all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Huh, so why was she so sad then? Or maybe she was gonna call her family, but then she was like, you know, maybe just get the data. She skirted it.
But I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me.
Just like Pinocchio. I'm telling you.
Why not let us know you
I'm
know
thinking Pinocchio, bro. Maybe like her dad's like Geppetto.
asked
Geppetto? Was that his name? Geppetto?
Weiss or Blake or Yang, anybody.
But there's no giant whale.
Your dad that upset? No.
So.
It wasn't my father.
Aege&Chill has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree?
Is the general her dad? Her Geppetto?
It's a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
Makes sense. If he has robots, he can make robots.
The Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will come out
Finger
in
guns.
this year, but they won't be alone. Now, The Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However,
A noble
there are
cause.
many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby.
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce
Well, Weiss's family.
the Atlesian Paladin.
So we got mechs on the show too?
Now, we couldn't have them here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
With the amount of anime and shows that I've watched, I feel like that was setting up for those things to be used against the good guys. Hey man, look both ways. Breakable things. Actually funny how nothing broke. Oh yeah, semblance time. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm gonna need you to roll out the street. Oh shit. Big body. This old man can't catch a break. What?
Penny, come back!
I'm guessing that's weird. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But like in this whole world of RWBY, I feel like we've seen crazier stuff than a girl stop a truck. You know, the people got semblances. Like she just turned into petals 2 seconds ago.
Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's wrong, I can help you.
Some of those hiccups.
No, you wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend?
Yeah, no more lying.
Promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
She was a robot the whole time? Let me stop. Well, that was episode 3. A Minor Hiccup. I didn't read the title of that episode until after, but she was hiccuping every time like RWBY pressed her. So she's a robot. I know, surprising. I was fooled too, guys. But she's a robot with hiccups. That don't make no sense. Unless, like Pinocchio, it was implemented or I guess programmed into her as a way to know when she's lying. Because her nose don't grow. They can't do that. That would be weird. But if like if this general guy, I'm presuming that he's gonna be like the Gebetto, like her creator, her dad, like as a way, as like maybe like a safety precaution to know like if she's ever lying or if she's ever out doing something crazy. He implemented this hiccup thing to know when she's, you know, lying. She's based on Pinocchio. But the thing that still has me off about it, that whole theory, is because nobody told me if I'm correct yet. So I'm like, shit, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm looking real stupid right now. But I said this theory a long time ago. But nobody, I don't think, unless I missed a comment, I don't think so. I usually read all the comments. Whether I reply to all the comments, that's another thing. But I usually read everything. Or have somebody vet through them first. But yeah, I don't remember anybody telling me that my Pinocchio theory was right. So maybe I'm looking real stupid right now. I hope not. I don't like looking stupid. But I guess that's inevitable. But as for the episode, I'm guessing this episode was really central, or I guess hanging on the reveal of Penny being a robot. But I don't know if it was just me, but it seemed kind of obvious. It seemed kind of, I don't know. At least we got the whole Weiss little subplot this episode. I don't know, she seemed very hesitant to go to this communication area to get this information that the team needed on the White Fang. I think that was the information she was getting, and I guess like whoever the family was partnering with, because I know they said that the family was partnering with the general. Did they say the general's name? I don't know. I'm just keep calling him the general until we get his name. But yeah, her family partnered with the general to make those mechs, and I don't know, man. I'm getting a bad vibe of those mechs. He was like, oh, we needed a human touch. I don't know, maybe like a pharmacist is gonna get into it and probably like hijack it or something. I don't know. But it felt like too, I don't know, righteous and like too good to be true, you know? I don't know, his whole cause seemed a little bit too noble. Not him per se. Maybe he's just like a stick in the mud kind of character. You know, he's older. He's like, gotta do things the right way, no matter what. Kind of guy. Maybe that's kind of the vibe I had with him when he talked to Ospen the other episode, or was it this episode? I don't remember. Like his cause seemed noble, but maybe he's like ham-fisting it a little bit too much. So I don't know. I feel like his little empire is gonna fall on top of him. I'm trying to think about the story of Pinocchio, but I actually don't remember it that much. But I don't remember much about Geppetto himself. I know he was like I don't know what the word is, but he was like a creator. Like he made things. I don't remember if he had like a big downfall or anything like that. So I can't really draw any parallels between him and the general just yet, beside the whole penny thing. Another interesting tidbit was once again about Weiss. She seems to be feeling this Neptune fellow. I don't know. I like Neptune. He seems cool. He seemed like he just seems like that down friend that you have who's not really with the shit. So it's like, I don't know, man. I don't feel comfortable going to this bar with you. And then you have that friend that's like Sun, who's like, yo, let's get into some madness tonight, man. Let's get into some crazy shit. And like he's like, alright, I'm not gonna let you go by yourself. That's the kind of friend Neptune seems like. And I don't know. I like him. Seems cool. I don't know if he's actually based on King Neptune. We don't really know much about him. He seems very passive to me. Not passive, but very chill. So I wonder how this whole, I guess it would technically be a love triangle between her, Jaune, and Neptune is gonna work out. Because at least for Neptune and her, I kind of see some mutual attraction, I guess, by the way they were talking. But with Jaune, it don't look like my boy got a chance. But I don't know, man. I've seen crazier things happen. I just hope it's not like some kind of cliche thing like Jaune ends up saving her life or anything like that, and like she falls for him. I doubt the show will go that cliche though. But Weiss and Neptune, I could be down for that. Whole situation with Penny again, the whole reveal with her being a robot and like her stopping the truck because it just popped up again. I don't know. Was that weird for anybody else? Like when you guys watched this for the first time, was that weird for you, or was it just me? It's like, we've seen so much crazy. Maybe it's because they're civilians, but the soldiers were like shocked too when she stopped the truck with her bare hands. It's like, I don't know. Maybe it's because they were civilians. I don't know about the case with the soldiers or cops or whatever they were, but I don't know. Felt like Ruby was like kind of shocked too. It was like, I don't know, dude. Yo, you guys felt like a giant crow thing and a giant scorpion, and Pyrrha and Jaune were like blocking hits from the giant scorpion with their shields. It's like, just didn't seem as crazy as it was led on to be. But hey, they had to get the reveal out somehow, so we ain't gonna touch that no more. But this definitely felt more like okay, we're setting things up, we're slowly getting our characters in places for different things. It seems like while the characters are working together on this like common goal, they're all kind of spreading out on their own little separate missions. And I feel like that's probably what we're gonna get in the next coming episodes. We're probably gonna get like, I don't know if this one counts, but this could possibly be like the RWBY and Weiss story. Like RWBY has to deal with Penny and her situation. Weiss has to deal with her whole family situation, again, the information, and possibly planting the seeds of Weiss x Neptune or whatever. And then probably next episode we get Yang and who was she teamed up with? I think she was teamed up with Neptune. Them going to meet whoever Yang's like shady client was. I forgot what she said. And then probably another episode we get like Blake and Sun, and you know, we're probably gonna get like each subsequent episode like them slowly getting closer to like I don't know, the bad guys or whatever they're trying to get in different areas, but then it all kind of ties back into each other in one, like, I don't know, probably not the season finale because it's still way too early for that, but probably like a episode 8 of season 1, you know, like how they had the big battle episode. We're probably gonna get like episode of that once everybody's kind of like on the same page and like they're sharing information with each other, you know. That could be pretty cool. So yeah, that seems like where this little story arc is going right now, and if it is, I'm down for it. I'm liking these little episodes. I'm like, I don't know. I just like knowing more about these characters. This is a nice group of characters, so I don't really mind the slower episodes where they're just talking. It's very hard to bore me, but if a show does bore me, oh, I will let it be known. But this is cool. But other than that, I think I pretty much touched on everything so far. So you guys already know the vibes. Drink plenty of water. Tell your loved ones that you love them. And of course, stay golden. Catch you guys in the next one. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you look right above me, you can see 2 of my previous videos. So, if you feel like supporting your boy, feel free to check them out. It's okay, take your time. I'll just be right here when you're ready to watch them.